Today I will teach you on how to use GitHub. First you need to download and install the Git application. Open your browser and search for the Git download page. Click the Downloads Git SCM. Then click your operating system. Choose Windows if you're using Windows operating system. You'll see the click here to download link. Now that we already downloaded the application, we can now double-click the installer. Click Next. Choose Visual Studio Code as Git default editor. Click Next. Choose Windows Default as console window. Click Next. Tick the box of Enable experimental support for pseudo consoles and click Install. Uncheck the View Release Notes and click Finish. Now open your Git Bash app. Then let's type cd desktop. Let's create folder for our project. Type mkdir and the name of your folder project. Select our created folder project by typing the folder project name. Then type code. To open up the Visual Studio Code. As you can see, the project folder is now open also in your VS Code. Let's open the Git terminal in our Visual Studio Code. Click the footer section of your VS Code, hold and drag the mouse up to see the terminal or PowerShell. If the Git Bash is not the default profile for the VS Code terminal, you set it by choosing it as your default terminal profile. You can also delete other terminal profile. Just simply click the trash icon. Now that you already learned how to set up your Git Bash on your Visual Studio Code, we can now proceed to the next lesson. See you on our next video.